the worst evil people tend to be religious people. Because if they can't control you, they will quote the Bible and use that to control you. This is why Satan quotes verses. If you show up and you're like, hey, Satan's here, he wants to tell you some things. You're like, no. Well, he misquoted a verse. Well, I want to obey the Bible. That's where he gets you. And Satan will abuse the Bible, and religious people will weaponize the Bible to control it.
Magandang hapon sa inyo. Parati po natin pinagdadasal na pagpalain ang ating bansa. Kasama po sa pagpapala ay ang katotohanan. This verse, John 8:3-2, then you will know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Madalas po ito makot, the truth shall set you free. Yan po ay pwedeng gamitin sa spiritual, sa religious. It's a biblical principle, but it is also applicable to everyday life.